I'll break down the exact step-by-step methods to transfer money from Cash App to Google Pay seamlessly. We'll look at the immediate, completely free shortcut, what to do if you want the cash sitting in your actual Google balance, and the mandatory security step you must complete so that Google won't reject your card. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Before we tap any menus, you need to understand the back-end system setup so you don't run into a wall. Google Pay is not a standalone bank account that holds a physical cash balance. It is a secure digital payment framework powered by the Google Wallet app that processes transactions by pulling funds from external debit or credit cards or your Google Play credit. Because Google Pay is just an application wrapper for external cards, you cannot directly send a capital to it from Cash App. Instead, you have two strategic routes. You can link your Cash App debit card directly into your Google Wallet to spend your balance instantly at a storefront, or cash out your funds to a mutual bank account and link that bank to Google Pay. This first method is the absolute best route because it is instantaneous and carries zero processing fees. You don't even need to wait for your physical plastic Cash App card to arrive in the mail. As long as you have ordered it, the virtual credentials inside your app work instantly. Open Cash App and look at the bottom navigation dock. Tap the Money tab, which shows your balance icon. Select your cash card image displayed at the very top of the screen. Scroll down and click the button labeled Add to Google Wallet or Add Card to Google Pay. Follow the system prompts to confirm your billing address, accept the terms, and confirm. Because payment security is incredibly strict, the second you request to link your card to Google, Cash App will pause the transaction. You will instantly receive a push notification. You must tap this notification to open Cash App and verify your identity via your PIN or biometrics to officially authorize Google Wallet to access your card. Once authorized, your Cash card acts exactly like a traditional Visa debit card. When you walk up to a checkout register, just unlock your Android phone, tap it against the card reader, and Google Pay will pull the money straight out of your Cash App balance in real time. Now you can utilize your virtual cash card for instant contactless store checkouts via Google Wallet or bridge your funds through a checking account to top up your Google Play balance with ease. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.